Welcome back to our life out in the country. I bet you guys are wondering what happened with the real estate agent. In our last video, we told you that Tuesday, the agent was going to come and look at our house. We are ready to put our mobile home on the market. She came, she talked to us, she loved the house. No complaints. We asked her, is there anything that we could change? She loved it all. She took pictures, a whole ton of pictures. She is ready to list it for us, and we are excited to have it listed. So the papers are signed, the price is set, and the house will be officially for sale on Thursday. The listing price is $89,900. $89,900 is what we all agreed on as the good price. So we're all happy and just looking forward to selling and seeing how this goes. So as you can imagine, this week has been like a crazy week. We've been super busy getting everything ready for that. And then we had the water leak that we had to handle and just other things going on that's just been so busy. Well, today's no exception. Even though we already, signed the papers and everything for the house on the market, we're still working on the mobile home. There was one job that we had on our list. I'm surprised nobody mentioned it when we said we were done. There was one more thing on our list that we hadn't done yet. Reseal the mobile home roof.
Yep.
That's what we're working on today. We have been on the roof all morning, scraping any loose stuff off. I don't know if we're doing it right, but we're doing the best we can. We got it.
Even that was a job.
That was a job.
Scraping all that and then sweeping it all off.
We're ready for Laura bars already.
Yeah.
So we're done scraping. We're ready to start coating. So we're going to take you up there to show you that part. The scraping isn't that fun. It's pretty self-explanatory. We're hoping we can get the whole roof coated today, and that'll be a huge plus for the next people moving in. They won't have to worry about the roof for a little while at least. We also have some pretty awesome stuff happening later this week. We'll tell you about that probably on Friday, as these videos come out. But we wanted to say thank you to our subscribers because we got these Laura bars in the mail, a gift from you guys and from one of our subscribers. Actually, two people. Two people sent us Laura bars at the same time, and that's pretty amazing because we were totally out.
Yeah.
And we try to buy them on sale. Sometimes there's a store called Ollie's, and it's like a bargain overstock store. And sometimes they have these, and we keep an eye on them. We can get them for like 50 cents a piece, and that's when we like to buy them.
And usually they're like $1 regularly at the store.
So we ran out of our discount Laura bars, and it was so good that these came just in time for these big projects. So thank you so much for the gifts, and we really appreciate it. We also got a couple more gifts. We're going to be talking about that on Friday, so stay tuned. So speaking of gifts, some of you guys, actually we've got the question quite a few times now, is where's your Amazon wish list? We took off our wish list because it was empty, and right now we're getting ready to move, so we're just slimming down on everything. We don't have the wish list up anymore, it's gone. At the same time, we also took down our mailing address. So we know that some of you guys look for that. It's gone right now because we don't know what our future is going to hold as far as the house selling, and we would hate for stuff to be in the mail in transit when we're, going through
this could all be moving quickly, and we don't know how long we're going to be here.
It could be days, it could be months.
Yeah.
So we took it down just to be safe. So there's no address, there's no Amazon wish list. For now, that's just what we decided. So just in case you're wondering, that's the deal with that.
So we're going to take our Laura bar break, and then when we're done with that, we're going to take you up on the roof and show you what's going on.
Now, I've never sealed a mobile home roof before, but I talked to Ken, the mobile home expert, and this is what he suggested, that we just use this coating on our roof, and we're going to go with it. I don't think it's going to be very hard. At least I hope not.
We just ran out of the first bucket, but luckily we bought another one. And we made it about halfway. We did the lower section, and then the higher section, all the way to about here. And we still have all this to do.
We are all done with the roof and it looks really good. I might have went a little thin on the coating because I expected to run out, but I had a little extra. But for my first time, I think it went pretty good. Now we're heading out soon, so we're all getting ready to leave. We got a couple of things to do. So I'll bring you guys up to show you the progress. So I suppose that's all we have for today. I don't have my Kindle on me, or I would check that off the list. We'll do that tonight. Now, I hope we're officially done. We keep saying we're done, and then we keep doing more. The roof is coated, and I hope I don't have to coat another roof for a while. It wasn't exactly fun.
No.
I hate chemical stuff, you know, the fumes and all that. We really try to live natural, and it goes against me to be breathing in all that yuck. So thanks for joining us today. Be sure to check out tomorrow's video. We have a special video coming tomorrow, Friday. So watch that video, and until next time, take care.
Bye.